Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you a method that you can get started with today for free from absolutely anywhere in the world, and I use this method daily to make money online, and this is just over on one platform, but you can see so far how much I've earned today, yesterday, the last 7 days and the last 30 days. So using this method in the last 30 days on this one platform alone, I've been able to earn over $12,000. And look, I'm not sharing that with you to gloat or brag, I'm just sharing that with you to show what is possible with this method. And look, I've taught many people this method, and you can do this on a number of platforms. You can do it on YouTube if you want, you can do this on a blog or a website, but it works. And look, not only is this enough proof, I'll share with you, let me go over to my Facebook group and I'll show you this. So this is over in my Facebook group. This is Michael. So this was on the 12th of September. So this was what? This was 15 days ago. So Michael learnt the method and then he created content on YouTube using this video. So you see here, this is my first video using the iPassive method, and I noticed that it is ranking already. I have a really small channel with not so much content, and the video ranks for a competitive keyword. So in this video I'm going to show you today, I'm going to show you a number of ways that you can make money online with this, and ultimately it becomes a passive income. And it's quite hard to understand, so I'll walk you through this step by step. But you see here, Michael, he went ahead, he learnt what I taught him, and he took action. And look here, this is 2 weeks ago. Guess what, guys? I got my first sale from this video. I already created 3 more videos and I'm going to upload one today. So he took action and he made money. And if I scroll down here as well, if I go a bit further down, here, look, wow, I just got my second sale. And then somebody here, Brit in the group, has asked, from the video you made 10 hours ago? Yes. So in 10 hours, he made money. And Michael isn't the only one in the Facebook group who's making money with this method. There's many more people who are doing this. Let me just jump over here, because I screenshotted a few of these so I wouldn't lose them. So you see, this is Jamie over in the Facebook group, and he's put here, I was going to send you a message, but I wanted to let you know that I implemented the training yesterday and have made a sale from it already. Brilliant training. And then we've also got, I've got many more testimonials about this. This was Paul. So you can see on here. So he went into the training, he took action, and he earned $73 from a video on YouTube with 340 views. This method works. And look, feel free to come over and join my Facebook group. This group here is all about making money online. We share lots of different things, tips, strategies, what's working, what's not working. We share about YouTube channels. We do about blogging, you know, different services you can offer online to make money. There's lots of stuff in here, and ultimately everyone is helping each other and just trying to like give each other a bit of confidence and make more money, basically. So enough rambling, let's go into the method. So how does it work and how do you do it for free? Well, it's very simple once you know how this all works. The first part of this is you go ahead and you find a product or a service that you want to create content around. So you can use Warrior Plus if you want, like I do here. To find this, you simply come over to Warrior Plus, create a free account, go up here into what is called the marketplace. If you click on here, it will show you lots of different products that you can go ahead and market. So you simply come over to the marketplace, go to the top sellers and go through and have a look and, you know, see what these different products are about. Once you're happy with one of these, you would literally ask to promote that product, and then you get given an affiliate link. So you'd go up here, you'd go affiliate, you'd click on offers. Once you've been approved to promote a product, you'd simply, once this is finished loading, you'd simply scroll down here and you'd click on get link. So you'd be able to go promote this product here or this product here. So how does it work? So once you've got your product that you're going to market, how do you make money with this? Well, the method I'm going to teach you today, once you know this and understand this, it isn't the normal method that everybody else is teaching you, which would be like launch jacking or, you know, creating a review article, because whilst that's good and you can make some money with that review article or that review video, it only has a limited shelf life and people are only looking for that for a number of days or a number of weeks. So you see this one here, this high ticket hijack. What happens here is this product here gets launched into the marketplace. All email marketers, they will go ahead and email their list about this product here called high ticket hijack, and then people go on Google and YouTube and type in high ticket hijack review, and they go and look for reviews about that. Now, whilst that is a great method, it's very, very limited because people will only be searching for that for a week or 2 weeks at the absolute most. So you've done the work once, but you're only going to get some sales coming in for 2 weeks, because after a couple of weeks, nobody, with all due respect to Glyn, the product creator for this, nobody will be searching for high ticket hijack. They'll all be moving on to their next product. And let me show you a real life example of this, because what I'm going to teach you in this video is, instead of just going down the launch jacking route, we're going to create content, and it's evergreen content. And not only is it evergreen content, you can use this to build up a YouTube channel, you can use this to build up a blog, a website. There's many ways you can do this, but ultimately you will be creating a truly passive income. And I'll show you this now. So let me go over here, right? I'm going to go onto YouTube, I'm going to go on here and go onto my channel. And I'm going to give you a real life example of this so you can see exactly what I mean by this. So if I scroll down here, see this here, high ticket hijack review. This is a review video that I did for this product. You can see it got 1,800 views, which is pretty good maybe. See this video here next to it, which is 5,000 views. This video here is about this product here, but instead of it being a review video, it's an alternative video around this product. So you can see here, the number of views, it's more than double the number of views that this video over here has got. And this doesn't have a shelf life. This here is an evergreen video, so this will still be popping up on people's YouTube feed for months to come, whereas this one, not really. Now, if we're going to show you how much this has made me so far, let's go back over to Warrior Plus. Let's go on affiliate. Let's go to stats. And then I'm going to scroll down here. Let me go on the last, I think it was last week, that one. Let me go ahead and have a look at this for last week. Last week, high ticket hijack, you can see on here, hops means 515, sales is 100. So for last week, for that course there, that high ticket hijack, I earned $1,720 from this method. So if we're going to high ticket hijack, let's go into here and I'll show you what you need to do and what you don't need to do with this. So high ticket hijack, you go and find products that you want to promote, and instead of doing a review video or a review article like everybody else is doing, what you do instead is you go ahead and highlight the benefits of the course or the product or the service that you're marketing, and it works in a hell of a lot better way than doing a normal typical review video. So how do you find out about the product? So if we go over here and we'll go and search on top products, we go and find the product. So we're going to go to, here it is, high ticket hijack. If you click on here, it will take you over to the course, so the sales page. So you can go over to the sales page and have a look about what exactly is this all about. So in this example here, it's how to make over $1,000 per day in high ticket commissions. Okay, so that is one of the benefits of this product. Now you see here, for this you do not need an email list, you don't need to use paid traffic, you don't need any tech skills or previous experience. So you see at this moment in time, this is how we're starting to build out our video or our blog article. How to earn $1,000 per day without a list, without paid traffic, without any tech skills or previous experience. And you can go through and pull out all of these benefits and highlights here on the right hand side, and this is just on the sales page. So you can go through and get all the information from here, and remember, we're focusing on the benefits of this product to somebody. We're not marketing in the traditional sense. What we're doing is we're marketing, but in reverse. So we go through, we find a product that we want to promote or market, we then create content for that, whether that is a YouTube video or whether that is a blog. We highlight the benefits of this and we show how to get everything set up, and then at the end we say if you want to fast track absolutely everything, you can go ahead and purchase this product here. And this is exactly what I did in this video over here on my YouTube channel, number one way to make money online. I went through the process of how people can earn $1,000 per day. So I showed them how to go ahead and find products which they can promote to earn $1,000 a day. I showed them what they would need to do to set it all up, and I went over the whole process. And then at the end of the video, I said to them, if you want to speed this up and make more money, well, here's a solution for you, which is, it's relatively cheap, and sent them off over to High Ticket Hijack, and as you saw over here, I earned some pretty decent money from doing so. Now, there's another thing what you can do with this. So once you've found a product that you want to promote, if you scroll down the page here, you'll see what it says View JV Page. If you click on there, it will open up an alternative page for you. It will tell you more information about what the product is that you're going to be marketing. So in this High Ticket Hijack here, let me just pause, Glenn. You can see this is a cutting-edge software that banks marketers of all levels, even beginners, $1,000 commissions per day without a list, without paid traffic, or any previous experience. So we just go through and we create content around the benefits, and we show them the method, and we show them parts of this and how to make money. And then at the end of the video or the end of the blog article, we show them how they can fast track the results, and that is where the product which you have picked to market, and literally you just include a link to that. But also over on this JV page here, you'll find lots more information about the products which you're marketing. You'll find all of the stuff on here. So you see all this down here, it tells you what they get, what's included in this. So look at this. So it goes over the system. So there's training included in this. There's a software that builds you 2 pages. There's done for you lead magnets. There's done for you sales pages. So you see all of these are the benefits. So if somebody was interested in earning $1,000 per day online using free resources and free tools, and they get all of this included, and instead of having to go through and set this all up manually and on their own, they can go and get this solution over here for $10, $20. It works very well, and as you've seen, it converts very well. And if you go down this route using YouTube in particular, not only can you create a passive income from this, you can use this to build up your YouTube channel. And as I showed you over in my group here, over on Facebook, people are doing this and people are making money every single day with this method. So that there is how you can go ahead and make money. And look, if you want to fast track this and you want to get a lot more in-depth knowledge about this and how it all works, I'll drop a link below for you over to this here. This is my course. It's called the iPassive method, and in here it will walk you through exactly how to set all of this up, what you need to do, what you don't need to do, and then I've also included some additional bonuses. So you'll get all of the bonuses on this page as well, along with the full video course of how to go ahead and create a passive income online, literally using and covering everything that we have gone over. But you don't need to purchase the course if you don't want to. You can go ahead and use what I've taught you in this video today and just get it up, get it running, and start making some money. And as you've seen in the Facebook group, it works. It works if you take action and don't do anything about it. People who have taken the iPassive course and have taken action are making money from doing so. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like, and if you've got any questions, leave them down below. But look, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.